Hello world, I'm Slaisha Gupta and you are most welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the top resources and tools which you must know for learning, for coding, and it's completely for beginners as well as if you're intermediate or even an advanced programmer. You can have a look at this video. In this video, I'll be sharing some top websites which you can use for learning to code and accelerate your career in coding. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first website which I'll be recommending is Code Academy. Now these are all the which I'll be mentioning in this video. They are a mix of free and paid. So I'll be telling you which ones are paid, which ones are free. And as per my personal suggestion, if you're a beginner, I would suggest you to start with the free courses. Like on Code Academy, most of their courses are free, so you can get started from here. If like you're just in this, there is a pro subscription, so you can buy it. Otherwise, first you can start with a free one. They also have their own code editor where you can practice your code. So it's a pretty much useful website. I have been using it personally as well. The second one is Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is totally free. You never need to pay on it, and its courses are pretty much useful. And I have used it as well. You can get started from here, and you can log in. And over here, you can search for some tutorials as well. Like for example, if you search for Python, so you'll get a bunch of many courses over here. FreeCodeCamp also have their own YouTube channel. And yeah, in this video, I have not mentioned YouTube, but YouTube is itself the biggest resource from where you can learn coding for free. So the third one, which I'll be telling you, is W3 Schools. See, if you are if you know something about programming, and if you're not a complete beginner, you might have learned the names of these websites, or you might have heard them before as well, I guess. So yeah, this is W3 Schools, and it is also completely free. It provides you your tutorial. Along with it, they have their own code editor as well, and you can have some references or some short notes also from here. So they have a bunch of languages like they have HTML, they have CSS, they have JavaScript, they have Python, SQL, and yeah, some selective languages they have created a documentation on them. And they are having many new features also. Nowadays they have increased their features for W3 schools. So this was the third one. The fourth one is Udemy. So here also now Udemy is a mix of both paid and free courses. So you can just go and have a look on it. And yeah, don't forget to watch the video till end, because at the end I'll be providing you with a bonus. So if you watch till end, you will be having a profit. So here, like they have paid courses, and you can add or apply some filters, and then you can over here, like for example, I'm searching a course for Python. So they'll show me a bunch of paid courses only at the top. But what I'll do is I'll apply some filters. And I'll say that I want only the free courses for Python. So from here, they'll be start to show me some free courses for Python, and then I can enroll in them, and then I can use them. So yeah, Udemy has a bunch of free as well as paid courses. And again, my suggestion that if you're a beginner, don't get into buying courses for now, and try to learn with all the free. I'm sorry. Uh, Try to learn with all the free resources which are available online, because there are a bunch of many resources that are free online. And I don't think that for long uh, you will be needing any paid course. So let's move on. And the last but not the least, I'll be recommending you Coursera. So here it's a very popular site, and over here you will get courses from organizations like Google and many other popular universities like Harvard University, University of Michigan, and many more. So like here you get these courses, you can enroll for free in these courses, you can audit the course. Now over here I would tell you that most of the courses over here are paid, but you pay in these courses for more for a certificate and not for learning. You can audit the course, and over here you can, if your purpose is just to learn, if your purpose is to learn, you can just audit the course over here, or you can also apply for a financial aid. So you will get access to all the course content, but you will not be having the certificate. That's the meaning of audit the course. And in financial aid, if you get the aid, you will be getting the course also, and you will be getting the certificate also for free. So you can try it out. I have tried it, and yeah, it's pretty much good. And I think recently I have uploaded a video also, that how can you write this application for a financial aid so that it gets qualified and you can get a free course. So as I told you that if you remain till the end, I'll be giving you a bonus. So a bonus tip is that uh, except from all these, there is one more platform which I found very useful, which was LinkedIn Learning. So LinkedIn also provides uh, courses to the people, but it is like a limited one, that for a month you will get it free and then you need to pay for it, something like that. But I tried it for a month, and you can also try it, and it's pretty much useful. And then after that you can apply for some other course, or you can get some introduction from here, and then from anywhere else also you can learn it. So if you want, you can try it as well. I found it useful, so I thought of suggesting you as well. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any queries, you can ask freely in the comment section below, and I'll clear all your doubts. Also, I wanted to tell you about just a reminder that I have created a Telegram channel. Over there many people have started joining as well. So if you want, you can also join there. I'll be sharing some PDFs or some resources, whatever I get, to help you in your career. So if you want, you can join the Telegram channel. And that's all for today, and thanks a lot for watching.